Hello, my name's Sarah and today I will be cooking vegetable potato cakes with grilled tomatoes with the City Caton Southampton Cooking at Home programme. To make the board more safe so it doesn't slip and slide around, I put a wet piece of kitchen roll underneath my board. This secures it more into place. A quick and easy method I find so they don't get seeds everywhere is to cut the pepper just a tiny bit in half and then pull apart, and then you'll find the seeds stay on one side and then you just scoop the other side out. Next job is to dice up the spring onions. I've tailed them already, so I've chopped the bottoms off. I'm going to chop the tops off and then just take the outer layers of the spring onions off. I'm going to now chop my onions. I hold all together, the board's not going to slip, so you just slowly chop so they're all sliced up. Because these are going into your potato cakes, you'll want them quite thin, you won't want them too chunky. The first job you need to do is to start prepping your potatoes. These need to be peeled and chopped and cooked up and made into mash. Once your potatoes are peeled, you need to cut them into small pieces, ready to boil them for the mash. Once your potatoes are cooked, give them a good mash to make them all soft and leave them to cool. You need to add your sweet corn, diced spring onion, diced peppers, your flour. Once your potatoes cool down, add it to your sweet corn and pepper onion mix. When mixing your ingredients together, don't forget to season. Nice bit of salt and pepper. Make sure it's all combined and mixed through. Combine your ingredients together and also add your egg and mix again. This will help the mixture bind. Put a couple of spoonfuls of flour onto a plate and then divide your mixture into 12 equal balls. So roll each ball into the flour, just lightly coat it and then flatten out until about a centimetre thick disc. Repeat this until you've got your 12 potato cakes ready for cooking. To cook your tomatoes, you need to take out the eye, which is the core in the middle. Get on the point of your knife, just gently cut round the stalk. This will just pop out. Slice tomatoes in half, place in a baking tray, lightly brush with oil and season with salt and pepper. These need to be baked for about 10 minutes in a warm oven. In a frying pan, add some oil and heat this up. Once it's hot, place your potato cakes in it. My oil's now hot enough to put my potato cakes in. Carefully pick these up with a spatula and place in your hot frying pan. Being careful not to splash yourself with that hot oil. These will take 4 to 5 minutes each side until they're golden brown.